Hello. So I had this frame here in my project, and I make a render uh, of this image. I go to the image editor. You'll see that I have this final image, and I wanted to show you how I composite all the diffuse, the glossiness, and the transmission into a single image to recreate this. So if I go here, see I have exactly the same output. I didn't use the noiser, so it's more. It has more noise than the original one, but with the advantage that I can modify any of the passes. So, for instance, if I want to change um, anything from the diffuse, for example, only I can modify the only the diffuse without affecting the other passes. So the glossiness is the same, but I have full control over the image. So I'll remove this. And the way I composite them is basically the first step is to activate all the different passes that I need. There are three groups that I'm using right now: diffuse, the glossiness, and the transmission. Each of them has the direct, indirect, and the color. And to show this in a better way, if I go to this basic presentation, um, once I have this, I will put in this list the alpha, the diffuse, glossiness, and the transmission. And what I do first is combine the direct and indirect elements for the three groups and by using an addition node. So if I go back to Blender, we'll see that direct and indirect for the diffuse, glossiness, and transmission are added together in this node. Second step is to multiply by the color, the respective color. So I'll expand this. I have this addition first, and the result of this, I will multiply it by the color. Same here. I think I can get this. Same here. Addition. I think we can remove this. The addition of this, the glossiness, I can multiply by the glossiness by the glossy color, and same for the transmission. And after that, the result of these three multiplications, I want to add them together. So basically add these two first, diffuse and transmission, and then add the glossiness. So if I go here, you'll see that the result of the multiplication of the diffuse and the result of multiplication between the transmission, uh, I can add it together, and then add this result to the glossiness. And if I view from this node, you'll see that I have it. I have the same result with the difference that I have no alpha because all of these passes do not contain any alpha information, so it's not transparent. So the final step is very simple. I just have to take the alpha and feed the final output of this addition here. So what I do is take this alpha, and with the set alpha node, I can copy alpha from the original image, and then I can recreate the alpha. So it's very simple. It can get a little bit confusing if you have multiple layers, but I have a script that recreates these automatically. I'll show it to you and share it with you in a different video. But I want to show you first how it is working. So to recap, just we have three groups: diffuse, glossiness, and transmission. and then add a direct and indirect element, then multiply that result by the color, and the three multiplication result, you can add them together. Finally, copy the alpha from the alpha channel. So this would be it for now. Thank you very much.